Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 30th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So we just had FOMC interest rate news come out for the US dollar or the US, and there was no change of rate, and that definitely didn't cause a change of trend. Now, I was hoping for a much bigger pullback because I was looking to go short again. I got out of my short over here someplace and made about a 750 pip short, but I was hoping for a much bigger pullback to go short again. But instead, what happened was it ended up making a pullback to just the last wave down. When the market is trending, every move up or every move against the trend is just a pullback to the last wave until the trend is over. So definitely another end of the correction. I am extremely bearish on the very high time frames. If you've seen my more top-down videos, you know that I think gold is going down to about $3,000 an ounce, maybe even 29.50. So definitely very bearish. Hopefully we get bigger pullbacks, but at this point, I would definitely be recommending shorts. Most recent structure is now right here. If it takes out that high, I would become bullish. Otherwise, even if it does turn up, I would be looking at any move I see to the upside as likely nothing more than a pullback to the downtrend unless it breaks this high right here at around 33, what is that, 33.36. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.